Hello guys. So today it's about Ethereum. We return to Ethereum because I was making wave counts the last day, and I looked at Ethereum at a weekly time frame, like I'm showing you guys right now, and I actually took out some of these wave counts, and I look at it and I started to realize one thing. What if Ethereum, like Bitcoin and Binance Coin, actually finished a cycle? And actually, this is not developing as a triangle. Now, why is that? Because the the way I have this wave count as a 1, 2, 3 triangle 4, which I'm tracking, it is not a proved uh, triangle at the moment, but 3, 4, 5, it's because the size of this correction, I mean, must be correlated to this one, but there's one problem. Wave 3 is the smallest at the moment, meaning that for this to be a valid wave count, wave E must not overlap wave 1, because wave A already did it, and wave C, it's very close to do it. So there's this, the rule of Elliott Wave says that no portion of wave 4 must overlap wave 1. Now, there's an exception. Like in real-time trading, sometimes, or in rare occasions, we consider wave 4 to not overlap wave 1 if wave 4 doesn't finish in wave 4. So in other words, the true rule in wave analysis is wave 4 must not finish, must not end in the wave, in the territory of wave 1. But take in consideration that analysts, when they do that, they don't prefer this wave count, is what they normally do, because it lowers the probability of the wave count. The best is that no portion of wave 1 is violated by wave 4, that's it. But in real time, in the real world, sometimes there's like a slight overlap of wave A of a triangle, especially in triangles, but wave E doesn't overlap, so it's still a valid wave count, but we have to be cautious. Now, the reason why I'm considering this rare occasion, let's say like that, it's because the size of this correction, it matches this one at the moment. But now we actually could be forming other things, because Bitcoin finished its cycle at the moment. The next rally could be corrective if my wave count is correct. And if you see here, we could see other things. We could be like, for example, this actually could be wave 3, and this actually alternates with this one. And this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we finish wave 1 over here. And now this is actually developing as a flat, a huge flat, which is way larger than the other correction. So we must be prepared to this triangle to be invalidated. That's why I have here alternative wave counts as a flat if this is actually a wave 1 of wave 3, of next wave 3. This is a blue wave count, or even lower to, for example, the wave 4 of red wave 1, which is actually here. I didn't put it here, but is somewhere here. That's why this box over here, this retracement levels for red wave count, if you see here. Now, yeah, if this is true, we could see around the $400 for Ethereum. It's not good news, but it's actually aligned with Bitcoin. It's a possibility. It's something that we have to consider for the future, because one thing is for sure: one thing is for sure. It doesn't matter the wave counts that I'm considering here, because the trend is still down. All the wave counts still indicate that the trend is still down. That's for sure. We don't have a reversal indication, we don't have like forming a diagonal in the opposite direction or impulse waves, nothing like that. Nothing suggests that the correction is over. We're either downward or in the best alternative, we are sideways. That's the outlook. That's the thing here. Other possibility is that this could be a flat, but like I said in previous videos, that this is wave 1 and this is not wave 3, and this is actually a flat of wave intermediate wave 1 of primary wave 3, which is actually a very bullish interpretation. Now, if this is indeed a triangle, like I'm still tracking here, if this is indeed is a triangle, this is actually the less bullish interpretation. I think I can say it like that. Why is that? Because for wave 3 not to be the shortest, it means that the target for wave 5 is around $11,000, no more than that. And then we break down from there. Okay, this is a very long interpretation of Ethereum, so everyone could be prepared for these possibilities. This could take years. I don't know, to 2030, for example. This could take several years to develop. Now, to $11,000, it's a good target, but then prepare to go down from here. The thing is, if we suffer, let's say like that, if we suffer a huge correction right now to, let's say, first to this blue box to $600 and then to $400, yeah, it's a big loss for Ethereum, but it provides a great opportunity to enter Ethereum, because if the red wave count 1, 2, or the blue wave count, that is another 1, 2, is actually developing, my God, forget the $11,000. We could go to to $40,000 or higher than that. So yeah, there's a downside to at the moment for these interpretations, but there's a way bigger opportunity for the future if the more drastic and dramatic interpretations are developing at the moment. So we'll see for Ethereum. This is just an update for overall look of Ethereum, that there's actually this possibility for Ethereum that I didn't notice previously. I'm always updating the charts, so keep track of Ethereum price action, but keep in mind that current trend is still down. So see you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.